Okay, welcome to this training. In this training we're going to learn how to upload files in your website. Upload pictures in your website, and it's very easy. So the first thing you do is you go to your link for the website link to login, the login page. If it's a WordPress website, the login page always ends with wp-adm. Example, I have something like this website. Okay, you have it, and then I put wp admin. Okay, with this it takes me to take me to the back end page where I'm logging. Okay, press enter. So it's taking me there. So it takes you there. This is the login page for your back end. So you log in, put your username. Here my username is manager, and my password, I already know my password. I won't tell you my password. Okay, so you click on login. So when you log in, you're now in your dashboard. Okay, this is the dashboard, and you quickly go to product because you want to upload more products on our website. Click product and you click add products. You click on add products. Meanwhile, for you to log in and be able to add product, you must be an administrator or a shop manager. You must be created. Your user rights must be as an administrator or a shop manager. So you click on add product, and it takes you, it's coming up. Okay, so you have the provision to add a product. Now let's think of a product we're going to add now. Okay, I don't know the products yet. Let me go to my file and look for a product. I will add, go to my folder. Okay, I have which product to add here? Okay, I have stockfish head to add, so I'm going to add this stockfish head. So I will go back to my website. I'll write stockfish head here as the title, and I will upload the picture here. This is set product image. I click here. Okay, and you have upload. This one has other pictures there already, so the picture I'm searching is not here. So what I do, I go to upload. It's still on my system, and click select. Maybe on your phone, can be on your system. I click on select it, and then it's coming. I'll look for that stockfish head. Okay, this is the stockfish head. I click on it, click open. Okay, the system I'm using is a bit slow, that's why you're having all this delay. And you set the picture. This is stockfish head. Then you can also add gallery if you have as many of them as possible. So I'll just select it again and click on the add. If you have different varieties of them, then I can now go to this and say wonderful item. Okay, and I can do the same thing here. This is just for an example. You can write anything you want. Okay, you have wonderful item here under product short description. You can type anything. Now if you want to give a price to this, I can put it 7,000, or I may decide not to put any price. And this sales price is a price. It might be 7,000 and you want it to be, you are selling for 6,000. That's it. But we are not putting any price for now on this. So you can just go to put it under category stockfish, and then you click on publish. Okay, that's all. That's how to, and it's published. If you go to the website now, stockfish.com.ng, and then you check the website. Okay, under shop, you see the one we just added now. Click on shop, you see it. This is under product. You see our stockfish head. Is it there? Stockfish head, is it there? Okay, see it here, stockfish head. Hope you did enjoy the training. Thank you for watching. Bye.